how to check stickers on TikTok. To get started, first of all, open up the TikTok application on your phone. You will then be taken to the TikTok homepage. Here you can explore and view TikTok Reels. On this page, go to the bottom panel and tap on the plus icon in the middle. This is the TikTok camera screen. Now, tap on the capture button to take a photo. Here you can edit the photo as you like using the edit options on the right side of the screen. Tap on the downwards arrow on the right side of the screen to view all the options. Then, tap on the stickers icon as shown. Here you can view all the available stickers on TikTok. Scroll down to explore them. Select a sticker of your choice from here to use it on the photo. After that, tap on Next at the bottom. Here you can add a caption and also manage other settings before posting. Following these steps, you can easily check stickers on TikTok.